for adding a non-slip coat to it, because you can use UltraFlex balconies, walkways, car parks, football grounds, anything really. You would use something like a slate granule or a kiln dried sand, or the quartz granules, stuff like that we can use for more decorative areas. All you would do, you do your UltraFlex, you do your waterproofing, you wait for that to fully cure, and then you come back and add the non-slip afterwards. So if you imagine that this piece of cardboard's already got UltraFlex on it, it's already fully cured, and this is just top coat. Now you can put your non-slip down either with a bit more UltraFlex or with top coat. So if you've got a tin left open with some product left in it, you can use either, whichever's easiest.
Does that change the finish on it?
No, but the main difference is that your Ultra Top dries a lot quicker. So it means you can be cleaned up, swept off and out of the way much quicker if you use a top coat. So all you would do, of course that's already got UltraFlex on, it's already fully cured. You'll come along, just put a nice coat on, but a fairly thin coat of as I say, either UltraFlex or Ultra Top, and then literally just throw the non-slip aggregate onto it whilst it's wet. People try and spread it out evenly, you know, it doesn't work, to be honest. Your best bet is to layer it up really thick, leave that to cure, and then if you've got the benefit of being able to pick the roof up, then you would do, but otherwise of course you come back after it's fully cured, sweep it off, remove your masking tape, and you get a nice even coverage on it, and it's that easy to do really. Whatever you're using, there's not much more to it than that.
And that would also give you your light coloured finish, wouldn't it?
Yes, it would, yeah. Or it might be a benefit for a roof like yours, where it's got a felt cover on and then it's already got another coating over the top. UltraFlex will show any imperfections to it. So if you put an UltraFlex coat over the top of it and it doesn't look the best, you can put that over it and it just hides it a little bit.